Hello students, I Sneha Sharma, your English teacher, welcomes you to your English 1 class. So today we will start chapter 2, that is nouns, common and proper. In the previous class we learnt what are nouns. So nouns are the name of a person, a place, an animal, thing or an idea. So today we will move forward towards common and proper noun. So before we start the chapter, let us read the description. A girl is playing with her dog. Her name is Sheila. The dog is named Buzzo. They live in a village called Gopalpur. They stay in a house named Rajnivas in the village. So you see some words are underlined, some words are in the box. So what is the difference between them? So some words in the above sentence are underlined and some are given in a box. What is the difference between them? The underlined words are common nouns because they are general names of any person, thing, animal or place. So general names, they are common names, that is why they are called common nouns. That is why they are underlined. They do not begin with capital letters, so they never begin with capital letter. Example, girl, dog, village, house. Now next, the words given in the boxes are proper nouns. So the words given in the boxes are what? Are proper nouns. They name a particular person, thing, animal or a place. So they are a particular name of any person, place or thing or an animal. They always begin with capital letter. So a proper noun always begin with a capital letter. So you see, Sheila, it is a name, S capital. Buzzo, again it's a name of a dog. Gopalpur, Rajnivas, all these are proper nouns. So you can see they have begin with capital letter here. Now next, some more facts about common nouns. Common nouns always begin with a small letter except when they are in the beginning of the sentence. So common noun always begins with small letter, but if a sentence begins with a common noun, then the word has to be in capital. For example, birds fly in the air. So birds over here is common noun, but since it is at the beginning of the sentence, B over here is capital. So moving forward, here are some more examples of common nouns and proper nouns. You see, some more examples are there: people, cities, countries, building, monuments. Over here, for proper nouns, Rahul Dravid, Mother Teresa, Nisha, New Delhi, Mumbai, Moscow, India, Russia, China, Eiffel Tower, Taj Mahal, India Gate. So all these are particular name of person, places or buildings. You see. So next, moving towards the exercise, underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns. So you see, you have to underline the common noun over here, like photograph, seat, shop, palace, water, mountain. These are common nouns. So this one I have underlined. And Nishant, Qutub Minar, Mount Everest, Arabian Sea, these all are proper noun. That is why it is circled. Next, rewrite the proper nouns in the sentences in the blank. Remember to start them with capital letters. So we have to write the proper nouns, and as we know, proper nouns always begins with capital letters. So one has been done for you. Tarun is a very good singer. You see, Tarun, T capital. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. So Gandhinagar and Gujarat both are name of places. So G capital and again G capital. Aditya is a very sweet boy. So Aditya, A capital. The river that flows through my hometown is called the Ganga. So G over here capital. Ganga is the name of the river. The name of those two dogs are Rocky and Rustam. So name of the dogs are Rocky and Rustam. So R capital over here for Rocky and R capital for Rustam also. Now London is the capital of England. So London is the name of a place. England is also the name of a place. So L capital and E capital. So now moving forward, fill in the blanks with suitable nouns from the box. So in the nouns are given in the box, you have to find the suitable one for the sentences. Our dash played very well in the match. So our school. The Red Fort is in dash. So Delhi. Delhi again proper noun. So D capital. Now next, Saina Nehwal is a famous dash player. So what does Saina Nehwal plays? She plays badminton. Z is a very popular dash channel. So Z is a television channel. Christmas is celebrated in the month of dash. So December. So December is the name of a month. So D is capital. Now Rita is wearing a new dress. So what is Rita wearing? She is wearing a new dress. So you can see all these were given in the box. So you found all the suitable nouns for the particular given sentences. So that was all for your chapter 2. I would request you to please learn the chapter properly, revise the chapter properly. We have already completed what are nouns, what are common nouns, what are proper nouns. We discussed the example, we discussed the exercise. So it's a request that you learn the chapter properly for your weekly test. As for your weekly test, chapter 1 and chapter 2 will be given. So I would request you to please learn both the chapters properly. So you see, all these are important. We have already learned the differences between common noun and proper noun. When do we use a common noun and when do we use a proper noun? When do we use capital letter? When do we don't use capital letter? What were the examples? All these things we learned for chapter 2. That was all for today's class. Thank you.